I saw this video on Dr. Madoka Chinemelum Ogweleka's page and I was provoked. Onomajuputara mobi, ezigbo iwe. And I gnashed my teeth in anger. Ibronyi Igbo gente, we have passed through so much suffering in this country, yet we are still standing. Chukwu Okike Abiama has continued to protect us. Our story is full of pain, but also full of strength. So we should cling to that strength, that never-dying spirit, that quechiri spirit. It is what that has kept us going in this contraption. It is what that has kept our head above the storm called Nigeria. This video wrecked my whole system and made me go down memory lane on how Igbos have been systematically massacred in Nigeria. In 1945, we faced the first major killing of Igbo people, which they tried to water down by calling it the just riots. But we know it was a massacre targeted at our people. Thousands of Igbos were killed. In 1953, another terrible attack happened in Kano. Many Igbo families were chased away and their properties destroyed. Still, we survived. Then in 1966, another wave of killings, the anti-Igbo pogroms, which became one of the biggest triggers of the Civil War. Igbo men, women, and children were massacred simply for being who they are. We survived the Civil War itself, a war that took millions of Igbo lives through bombs, starvation, and suffering. Even after the war ended, the punishment did not stop. We survived abandoned property revenge, where many Igbos who fled the war returned to find their houses and shops seized and taken from them. We survived the 20 pounds policy, where no matter how much money an Igbo person had in the bank before the war, Nigeria gave them only 20 pounds to 20 pounds to rebuild families, 20 pounds to rebuild futures, 20 pounds to rebuild dreams. Yet we rose again. We survived decades of marginalization, being pushed aside politically, economically, socially. Even today, many Igbo communities still face threats, killings, and discrimination simply because they identified with Igbo. Listen, as an Igbo man, it is your responsibility to teach your children their true history, because Nigeria will never tell them the whole truth. They will not teach our children how much we suffered, how much blood was shed, or how much we lost. Never forget to tell your children that we once had a nation called Biafra, a country born out of survival, which lasted for 3 years. Tell them why it existed, what it meant, and what it cost. As an Igbo parent, it is your duty to explain what Ndi Igbo have gone through in the hands of the British and Nigerian government. The betrayals, the violence, and the attempt to break our spirits. Let our children know the truth, because knowing where we come from gives us strength for where we are going. Ije mana buru n'obi na ogaga adị anya ihe ndị a niile ga-agabiga. Daalụkwanụ ndị nwe m. Don't forget, if your children do not know how to speak Igbo or solve mathematics properly, bring them into my academy. If you want Japa or a defined solution concerning Japa things, come, I did for you. If you want to learn how to create content and edit videos, I am also here for you. If you also want to learn AI content, come, I did for you. We have lands available for sale across Igbo regions. Send me a DM.